So now from Palm Grand Hotel in Delhi, Narayana, we are leaving to Chandigarh. So bike is all ready. Yesterday got got the air filter replaced, washed, cleaned and all. Again it rained a little bit and little dusty it was. We cleaned it. You can see the bike all around. The hotel here, hotel staff here. Hello sir. Hello. All the staff here. So bike is ready. The hotel is this Palm Grand Boutique Hotel. So we are leaving now. Manish is on the bike. I'm getting onto the bike now. Hi Manish. So ready to go? Okay. Bye for now guys. Catch you later. So exiting Delhi. You can see I think this is a metro train. Bharatiya Nigam. What is that? So the time now is 12:19. A bit okay. We got ready aram se, and we are leaving only to cover another 240 kilometers to Chandigarh. So I'm taking it lightly. Not rushing up. This is a metro station here. Punjab and Sindh Bank. Mayapuri metro station. Okay. Towards Jalandhar, we need to go on the loop. Loop here. Get onto the loop and go. So another 270 kilometers to reach Jalandhar, my birthplace, and I'll go to the hospital, military hospital, take a picture, video. So after 54 years in my life, I'm going back to my birthplace. Wow, lovely. National Highway Authority of India, Ishapur Kheri Free Plaza welcomes you. This is a toll here. No open, huh? For bikers, no place, huh? Huh? जा सकते हैं वो साइड में लगेगा ना, वो लग जाएगा, ये बड़ा है ना, वो लग जाएगा, थोड़ा खोल दोगे। ठीक है, थैंक यू। Hey guys, now around 241 kilometers is showing on the odometer to Jalandhar, and now we had stopped for a small water break. So the shopkeeper told yesterday there was a storm here and the shops were damaged and all. So they asked us to move fast so that we don't get trapped in the storm. So we are just going good straight roads. We can pull, but the problem is there is crosswinds. Some places, even with the heavy luggage and so many kgs weight, around 400 kilos now, all in all, but still crosswinds are dangerous. It's pulling the bike towards one side. So got to be careful and see how fast I can cover. So I thought I'll just tell you that. So 240 kilometers now, and it shows around 3 hours 51 minutes to go. At 7:56 we will reach Jalandhar. So that's my birthplace. So today we are going to stay there, and then tomorrow we'll proceed towards Amritsar Golden Temple, finish that, and then come back to Chandigarh, and then start from Manali, via Manali to Leh. So Samba will also join us on Sunday. So I'm just telling you these updates. Okay, fine. Catch you in a bit. Bye. Thank you, sir. I'm at Jalandhar.
Wonderful.
Beautiful, lovely. My birthplace. Yes, done everything, dusted. We'll go.
There you off again there 150.
Yeah, I'm at Jalandhar military. Yeah. CGHS Polyclinic and all. This is the old military area. See, night and all, they would not have allowed us here. That's a good to come in the daytime. So, see here, Seva Sanut, my all, and a lot of quarters here. Hey, fuel also I have to put da.
Yeah, it's recording.
Now 23, India-Pakistan border 1 kilometer. Atari border. So this is me and Manish. We have come to Atari border, the Wagah border, India-Pakistan border. You can see Pakistan there, India gate, Pakistan gate, India gate here. Border security for India's first line of defense. People have assembled on the India side, Pakistan side. We don't see anybody as of now. Another 1 hour it will start. India side almost it's full, both the sides, gallery and all. All patriotic songs have been played. India's first line of defense, Mahatma Gandhi's photo, India flag, an army flag flying high. Ashok Stamp you can see. The Pakistan side, some renovation work is going on.
Only one
display board is there.
Only one person is there.
So road fine. Now we start in 1 hour's time. It's quite sunny. So wait and see when the meeting retreat will happen. So nice to see everybody here. So you were, no? That you record me. Look at me now.
It's recording.
So hot it is, warm. No managing water below. See the back side?
Gandhi.
Lovely. Oh, beautiful.
Good, na? See what